Understanding the IELTS Speaking Test Format. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve deep into the IELTS Speaking Test format. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of what to expect and how to prepare for this part of the IELTS examination. The IELTS Speaking Test is designed to assess your spoken English skills. It's a face-to-face, interactive test with an examiner, lasting between 11 to 14 minutes. Remember, the examiner is not just evaluating your English fluency but also your ability to communicate your ideas. Part 1. Introduction and Interview. Duration: 4 to 5 minutes. The examiner will introduce themselves and ask you to introduce yourself. This section consists of general questions about yourself, your family, your studies, your interests, etc. Part 2. Long turn. Duration: 3 to 4 minutes. You will be given a task card with a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare and make notes. Then, you will have to speak about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. After your long turn, the examiner will ask you 1 or 2 questions about what you just talked about. Part 3. Discussion. Duration: 4 to 5 minutes. The examiner will ask questions related to the topic from Part 2. This is a more analytical section. Expect questions that require you to give your opinions, provide solutions, or speculate about issues. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice speaking English, the more comfortable you will be during the test. In Part 2, use the 1-minute preparation wisely. Jot down main points you want to cover. Stay calm and relaxed. If you don't understand a question, it's okay to ask the examiner to repeat. Always try to extend your answers. Instead of just saying, yes, or no, explain why you feel that way. That wraps up our overview of the IELTS Speaking Test format. Remember, confidence and preparation go hand in hand. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you insights into the test. Best of luck, and remember to speak clearly and confidently.